I would try it. See that? I just sprayed it. That first spray opening it's a turn off. I'm not even gonna lie, it's a turn off. Some of you all might get it. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to be talking about Ellis Brooklyn, the new vanilla milk. So if you're interested in my thoughts, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey. And if you are new to this channel, hey, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances, body care, and we spill a little tea from here and there. Okay, your sis can do a little talking.
Yeah, I want to work in videos, but really I want to be my own star in the videos because I want to become a pop singer and a rock singer and write my own songs, produce my own songs. And then I want to try an actress because people tell me how talented I am. I'm a natural and stuff like that. So then I'm going to write my own stories and direct my own stories and, produce the movies I'm doing.
All right. So if you're interested in those vibes and a little bit of fun, hey, subscribe. Comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. I would love for you to join this family. Won't we, family? Come on. Because we are all sisters, brothers, aunties, uncles, grandmas, cousins. We are whatever you want to be in this family. That is what you will be. Okay? So we are all family around here. And we would love for you to join this village. So let's get into it. Because family, I got the new Ellis Brooklyn Vanilla Milk. Okay? This right here. Okay, and the packaging, let's talk about it. So packaging looks like this if you can see it. Okay, I believe, to me, it's fine. I don't mind the packaging's very simplistic. Okay, but let me tell you, fragrance community is talking. Okay, girls and guys are talking, so I wanted to talk too. Okay. So honey, I believe, to me, packaging wise for the bottle is beautiful. I believe it's like lightly weighted, but still I don't know if this is glass. I don't think this is glass, but if it is, it's very much a beautiful kind of vanilla cream look. Okay, I'm trying to get it out, but a vanilla cream look. And you can see through the bottle, which I do love. I love to be able to see like where I am in a fragrance. So I do love that. I think the words, you really can't see it because it's white, but the words on here, oh, you can see it right there. Okay. Well, the words match the packaging, right? So what the packaging look like. So it has vanilla milk eau de parfum on it. And yeah, I love it. I love the cap. This is actually, it's a magnetic cap. This is actually my first Ellis Brooklyn fragrance.
Hey. Clap one more time. You're not coming to my birthday. Who did that?
I don't have any in my collection, but you know when your sis saw vanilla, I was like, oh, I'm not even going to think about it. I'm just going to give you the full bottle. Okay, now let me tell you all. So I've been rocking with this for a little bit, okay? Not too long, but for enough time to me to test it. I don't think you have to test something out for like weeks upon weeks. It's either you like it or you don't, okay? At first spray, you have to love a latonic smelling fragrance, okay? Vanilla and milk. You have to love that type of fragrance, okay? If you do not, you're not going to like the opening, and you're definitely going to be turned off by the closing. Like, you're going to be over it, okay? But to me, you have to love a milky fragrance, okay? Let's start there, okay? Let's give you some of the main accords. So that's vanilla, woody, warm, spicy, amber, balsamic, latonic, cacao, powdery, aromatic, and sweet. Top notes are milk, peony, frangipani, jasmine. Middle notes, bourbon, vanilla, mascar vanilla, cacao pods. And base notes, bourbon, ambergris, sandalwood, and musk, okay? To me, the opening can be a little off-putting, okay? In my opinion, it was a little bit off-putting, right? When I smelled the milk. The milk is very strong, okay? It's like vanilla cereal with the milk on it, like milky cereal type thing. If you allow it to dry down, that is where I enjoyed it the most, guys. I enjoyed it the most on the dry down, okay? Not gonna lie to you. Now, the dry down, honey, it's gonna give you about 3 hours till it's like a skin scent. You know, it's still gonna be on your skin, but someone has to be very close to you to experience the fragrance, okay, by itself. It's very much close to skin. It's not beast mode, so sillage is not out there. It's not out there coming to get you, okay? It's not. Now, would I have gotten the travel size? Maybe instead of the 1.7, because it's the 1.7 ounce. Probably, okay? So if you haven't gotten this yet, if you're wanting to try it, I would highly suggest getting the travel size, okay? I would probably just highly suggest keeping the travel size, honestly. I would not recommend a full bottle because this is not what I want to be every day or enough for a full bottle, let's just say. To me, it is very nice on the dry down, okay? But you have to allow it to get there. Now, I think that this is a more casual smelling scent. It's not for an event. I wouldn't even wear it in the bed. That's just my opinion. I wouldn't wear it at nighttime to get all cozy and cute. It would be more casual, like running errands, going to the store, going shopping, picking up my child from school type of thing, you know, a school event, something real casual, okay? I could see you wearing like a white t-shirt and jeans, and a black, like something real chill, okay? I don't think if it's just going to be real chill, would I get a full, I wouldn't get a full bottle, okay? But I contemplated on taking this back, okay? Just because I couldn't really, you know, enjoy the experience until the dry down. And I really want to enjoy a fragrance throughout the entire thing, okay? Hear me out. When I put it with Kayali Vanilla 28, I kid you not, it stopped me from taking it back. I said, okay, Kayali, you saved Ellis Brooklyn. You saved Ellis Brooklyn from me taking her back to Sephora, where I got her from, okay?
You saved me.
What's gonna happen to you? You have forgot to.
This combination, this layering combination, to me, it just did this right. Like, this should have been maybe the brown sugar in it or something could have been in the vanilla milk or something. Like, it's just missing what this has in it, in my opinion, okay? So layering, I will layer this, okay? So I am going to keep it just because Kayali saved her. Now, price-wise, again, I'm letting you all know, I would just get the travel size. I wouldn't even bother getting the full size. The full size is going to run you in the early hundreds, like $105. I wouldn't even put your coins on it. I would save your coins, get the travel size, and then the travel size pair it with Kayali Vanilla 28. Okay? In my opinion. Also, another pairing I was thinking of, like to make it a more, not formal, but more of an event fragrance for myself. I was thinking about trying it with my MFK Gentle Fluidity Gold, okay? Because of that vanilla, and maybe it will take it up a notch. So I'm actually going to test it on a strip right now to see if that will work. So those that have MFK Gentle Fluidity Gold, I would try it. See that? I just sprayed it. That first spray opening, it's a turn off. I'm not even gonna lie, it's a turn off. Some of you all might get a headache because it's a turn off. But no, it's okay. MFK just knocks it out the park, but that milky behind it does not sit right with that. So no, I would not suggest your MFK Gentle Fluidity Gold with the vanilla milk. But this one, I did put this on skin. I did wear this. This was good. You still have to like Latonic milky type of fragrance. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? And wait for the dry down. Okay, moving on. I also want to try Zara Tobacco Collection, the Rich Warm Addictive, okay? I also want to try it with the vanilla milk to see if maybe that combination will work. So I'm going to put those together and see if it do what it do, because some of you all have some Zara fragrances and you might have this one. This one is a really good one. I talk about it all the time. I tell you, go to the men's section and pick this up. This is really good. I highly suggest it. You know what? I'm gonna have to test that on, let me test that on my hand, because the paper is giving me too much of the alcohol smell. Probably from the Zara, I don't know, but it's giving me too much alcohol to be able to make a good decision for you all. Okay, so no. At least I'm trying. Hey, I'm telling you the truth. No. So I would not suggest that. Okay, so sorry, Ellis Brooklyn girl. You going down, girl. You going down.
Did not really fight her.
Oh, big right hand. One punch. That is it. Forget about the count. It is over.
Okay, anyway, so again, my only suggestion would be these two if you want it. Again, highly suggest the travel size. Okay. It's probably not what you all wanted. Is it worth the bigger bottle? No, like I said, it's not worth the bigger bottle. Get the travel size or just don't get it at all. Save your entire coins, okay? But that is my thoughts, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like the vanilla milk? Again, I feel like you just have to let it dry down. That opening, you've lost me, but whatever. I still won't take it back. I still want to keep it.
Say hi. Red like me.
Still going to add it to my collection. Again, that's my first Ellis Brooklyn. I know they have some fruity. I know they have like a bee one. and a couple of other ones that I've never thought to dip my toe into the pond. So if you have some of those fragrances and you're like, hey sis, you know, definitely suggest you get this from Ellis Brooklyn, let me know. Comment down below. Give me your suggestions. Would love to hear it. You know, would love to get my nose on some of them before I buy. I don't think I will do another blind buy, because that was a blind buy. But I don't think I will do another blind buy of the Ellis Brooklyn. I saw vanilla, and you know why she got it. Okay. But I don't think I'll do another blind buy for Ellis Brooklyn. The packaging's amazing, but this wasn't my jam. Okay, a full jam. So, but either way, guys, if you like it, I love it for you, honey. Cause on here, honey, wear what you want to wear. Okay, who am I to say? But let me know your thoughts. Subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to hear everything that you think about this fragrance. Okay, and until next time, family, you all be good to yourself. Okay, bye, family.